Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the cheapest aluminum mechanical keyboard kits on the market called the WK870 from KeyMonkey. Now this keyboard usually retails for around $60. So first things first, the box arrived pretty damaged. Thankfully my keyboard wasn't hurt at all, but it is something to keep in mind when ordering this one just in case you get a faulty unit or something's damaged. It comes in a purple, black, blue, pink, white, green, and gray colorway. So definitely one for everybody. The one I have here today is the purple variant. Inside the box you get the keyboard itself, a coiled USB-C cable. The one I got was blue and yellow for some reason. I really wish they would have color matched those, but nonetheless at least you get a wire. In the keyboard kit itself, it comes with a south-facing hot swap PCB, which does have flex cuts, plate-mounted stabilizers which do have some factory lube on them, case foam, plate foam, and PE foam as well. Now, the plate included is polycarbonate, and this is a gasket-mounted keyboard as well. So overall, for the price you're paying, you are definitely getting a lot for your value. But where are the cons? Well, the only cons I could really think of are, of course, the fact that it does not have QMK or VIA support and uses its own proprietary software. The other downside would have to be that it's included with plate-mounted stabilizers, which are not the greatest, and the fact that it comes pre-assembled might be an issue for some. Visually wise, I do think it looks very nice, and the knob on the top right hand corner looks great, and so does the badge. But what I think is another downside is on the bottom left hand side of the keyboard, it for some reason says customized keyboard. Why? It just looks ugly, tacky. Thankfully it's not with a different color, so it's barely noticeable. But once I noticed it, I did not like it at all. That's probably my biggest complaint about this keyboard, which can be overlooked if you don't really care. Now with that being said, the switches I'm going to be installing here are the Iquinix Moonstone switches because these are a deeper and thockier sounding switch, and I felt like they'd go well with the PE foam and case foam included in this keyboard. And the keycaps I'm going to be using are the Cherry Spellbook keycaps. Here's a sound test, you guys can hear how everything sounds. Overall, I think it turned out pretty well. You know, the keyboard sounds good. It feels good. I do wish there was more flex in it when it comes to the gasket mounted performance. Maybe better gaskets in the future if they do make a version 2 of this keyboard. And remove that bottom left text that looks really ugly and just tacky. If these two issues aren't really big for you, then I definitely recommend checking this out, as it is probably the best bang for your buck aluminum keyboard kit on the market at the moment. I'll be leaving a link to the WK870 keyboard kit in the description below, and let me know what you guys thought about this keyboard in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.